In this video, we will look at the problem that combines one of the counting rules and the use of multiplication rule. Let's read it. Winning the jackpot in a particular lottery requires that you select the correct 4 numbers between 1 and 53, and in a separate drawing, you must also select the correct single number between 1 and 45. Find the probability of winning the jackpot. Let event A be selecting the correct 4 numbers between 1 and 53. And event B will be selecting the correct single number between 1 and 45. So we are looking for probability of event A and event B occurring at the same time. And it refers to multiplication rule. We will need to find probability of event A times probability of event B. Probability of selecting 4 numbers between 1 and 53 requires the use of one of the counting rules. Does the order matter? Whether we select the first out of the 4 number or the second or the third or the fourth? No, we just need to select 4 numbers between 1 and 53. So the first event and the total number of possibilities would be 53, and we need 4 numbers. R equals 4. Since order does not matter, that would be combination. And the probability would be 1 out of NCR times probability of event B, selecting correct single number between 1 and 45, would be 1 out of 45 numbers. Let's use the calculator now. I'm going to use Desmos calculator. Of course, you can always find the combinations using StatCrunch and then use the calculator, but I want to show you how to use Desmos scientific calculator to simplify this process. Go to desmos.com/scientific to open the scientific calculator. Then let's enter this expression. 1 divided by, go to Functions, find the combinations, NCR. Then you need to enter N first, 53 in this case, comma, R 4, we need 4 numbers out of 53, close parenthesis, exit out of the denominator, times, go to main menu, 1 out of 45, and it will give you the scientific notation because it already divided 1 by whatever the denominator is. And you can see it's very, very small probability because it has 10 to the negative 8 power. Well, we don't want to write it as a decimal, we want to leave it as a fraction. Convert to fraction. 1 over 13,177,125. Let's write down this number and enter it in the answer box of the question. I hope this helps.